Hey everyone, welcome back to another Anakin AI tutorial. So we have just launched a brand new AI app called AI Funko Pop Generator that lets you create your perfect Funko Pop avatar with AI powered precision and endless customization option. Here you can see the original image and the converted AI generated Funko Pop avatar. I have generated a lot of Funko Pop avatars using pictures of famous people and celebrities, and the results are stunningly accurate. So, if you're a fan of Funko Pop figures and have always dreamed of having one that looks just like you, then this app can make that dream into a reality. In this video, I'll guide you on how to use this app and create personalized Funko Pop avatars of yourself. Normally, you have to use paid tools for that, but with Anakin AI, you can try it for free. It will be super easy and fun, so let's dive in. To get started, first go to anakin.ai and sign up with your email. Then click the app link from the video's comment. Once you land here, upload the image you want to turn into a Funko Pop style avatar. When uploaded, just hit the generate button and your Funko Pop style avatar will be ready. You can also go to the advanced settings and change the style. By default it's in clay, but you can change it to 3D, emoji, video game, pixels and toy. Let me change the style to 3D and let's see how it comes out. Wow, this looks really amazing. Here, take a look at these other styles too, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you like these images, you can save them to your device and then you can share your creation on social media or use it as a profile picture. We provide 30 free credits daily, which is enough to try out this tool fully. But if you need more credit, you can subscribe to a paid plan or just refer a friend to earn 200 credits absolutely free. Anakin AI is a one-stop platform to access all your favorite AI assistant, including GPT-4, Claude 3, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3, Gemini, and over 200 pre-built apps. No matter who releases an AI model, you can always test it here. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.